If your WhatsApp calls keep ending with a message saying call ended because there is a problem with your device microphone, here is how to fix it quickly on Android. First, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot clears up temporary glitches with the microphone or background apps using it. Now go to Settings, then Apps, then Manage Apps or App Management, then find WhatsApp from the list. Then tap on Permissions and make sure microphone access is enabled. If it's off, WhatsApp will not be able to use your mic during calls. Next, check if any other app is using this microphone. Voice recorders app, screen recorders, or even other calling apps running in the background can interfere. Close all background apps and try calling again. Also, check if your phone's mic is physically blocked or dirty. Try using a voice recorder to test if the mic is working properly. If not, clean the mic area or consider using a headset as a temporary workaround. If you are using Bluetooth devices, disconnect them and test again using the phone's built in mic. Bluetooth connections can sometimes cause conflicts. Lastly, make sure WhatsApp is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and hit update if available. Try these steps, and your calls should work without issues. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.